bokya tayo today. Jackpot po! Another one goodie bag po! So check! And while I'm waiting for them to finish their fun, nandito naman ako. Sabayan niyo po akong i-open yung ating goodie bag. Tingnan niyo po! Hello mga kababayan! Kumusta po kayo? Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpapanood for today's vlog. And I just thought of something po. Yung word kababayan medyo mahaba, di ba? So I just thought paiikliin ko yung word na kababayan. At ito pong new word na na-come up ko ito po yung itatawag ko sa inyo. Mga kabay. Kabay from the root word kababayan. So, para maikli po siya, tatawagin ko po kayong mga kabay. So, hi mga kabay! Welcome back sa channel ko today. Maraming salamat po sa inyong mga suporta, sa inyong pagpapanood ng mga videos ko. So, today po, samahan niyo po kaming mag-dive. Ako tsaka yung mga anak ko today. So, we're hoping that we can get a good haul. And, tingnan niyo pong araw, napakaganda po ng araw dito. Talagang napakaliwanag ng araw. Just a totally great day. So I'm hoping that as good as the day is today, our haul is also going to be a good one. So it's been a while since I've been back to diving today. So actually last dive ko about 6 days ago, and that was when I hit the biggest mother load, yung video na to. So, I told myself, you know, just relax, just sit back for a little bit and wait for a few days before I head back out. Kasi napakarami pong mga bagay, mga pagkain po ang na-jackpot namin last week. And so, our freezers were totally full. They're stocked up. Our fridge is full to the max. And so, I told myself, you know, I think it's been few days now and I'm ready to head back out. So, today is the day. Today is it. So, samahan niyo po akong mag-dive ulit, and I'm hoping that we can score a good one today. Mga kabay, samahan niyo po kami at I'll see you back there. Mga kabay, we're here. So, titingnan po natin kung meron bang laman sa Mr. Bean today. Ang init dito ba talagang napakainit. It's still August and it's still really hot. And so I'm wearing glasses kasi talagang napakainit. So tingnan po natin. Meron ba? Meron ba? Mukhang meron. Hindi ko sure. I'm not sure. Parang bokya tayo today. Jackpot po! May isang goodie bag po tayo. Oh, ang bigat. Ang bigat, guys. Come back up kasi I think that's all. So, yeah, update ko po kayo. So, stay tuned. Ang bigat mga kabay. Tayo na ito bigat. Another one goodie bag po. So check! Hi mga kabay! Kakaiba po ang location natin today kasi we was gonna go back home right away after sa diving natin kanina. Pero sabi ng mga anak ko, Mom, we wanna go stop by the splash pad park. So, and I told myself, you know, why not? Kasi they have about few more days before they shut the park down. Kasi tanglagas na po dito next month. It'll be fall season, so malamig na po yung klima dito. So, silipin po natin kung anong ginagawa ng mga anak ko. Yun po sila. So, today, kami lang ang nandito sa park kasi ang public dito, most of them, yung mga kids are currently on school. So, nandito yung mga anak ko kasi we are homeschool. I got both of my kids homeschool. So, ako yung nanay, ako lahat po. Ako yung guro nila, ako yung teacher nila, ako yung nurse, ako yung yaya, tag-alaga po ng mga anak ko, ako yung cook, ako yung lahat po. So, pati po pag-aaral nila, ako po yung nag-aasikaso. So, because we're homeschooled, this is the beauty of homeschooling. We can do anything we want to and, you know, anywhere we want to. But actually, fortunately, for this month of August, we are actually currently on summer break. So, I'm letting my kids enjoy their splash pad moment before our county here shuts down for the season change. So, mga kabay, tara, i-update ko po kayo sa nakuha nating goodie bag kanina sa basurahan. I'm so excited na buksan. So, tingnan po natin, okay? Alright. Okay mga kabay, yung mga ano ko talagang napaka-excited nila. Talagang saya-saya. So, kung meron mga taong napapatanong saan yung asawa ko, well, obviously po, it's Thursday actually while I'm filming this video. So, it's actually a work day. So, talagang kayod po talaga ng trabaho yung asawa ko today. So, kami lang, mag-ina. Wala yung daddy kasi he's working hard at his job. So, but we're here and spending time together. And while I'm waiting for them to finish their fun, nandito naman ako. Sabayan niyo po akong i-open yung ating goodie bag. Tingnan niyo po. Oh wow, may mga may mga croissants. Oh gosh, guys, tingnan niyo guys. My original, parang ano to ba? Rolls. So, pang dessert po. Pang himagas. And then, meron tayong kamatis. Ooh, isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, 4 tubs ng kamatis. Tomatoes. Yan. At guys, tingnan nyo po yung mga ano natin. Bacon. Napakaganda pa po. Pero, ano na siya? Actually, expired na siya. Kaka-expire lang po. Pero malamig pa naman po siya. So, actually, ang gagawin natin, i-freeze natin agad. If not, lulutuin natin agad. Para hindi na siya masyadong matagalan yung yung shelf life. So, either consume it right away or freeze it right away. And then, meron tayong salad, guys. Napakaganda pa po ng mga salad nito. 1, we got 2. Yung isa, brownish na po siya. We got some rotten bananas. Okay, we got some of these 2 yogurts, tatlong yogurts. And I also see another chicken salad. We really liked it. Last time, nakakuha ko ng chicken salad. And this one is still in date. Hindi pa siya, guys. Hindi pa siya expired. Actually, today is the 21st. No, 22nd. So, we still have like 3 more days before may expired. So, at saka ito po, napakaganda po nitong brand ng chicken salad. talagang pagtikim ng asawa ko, napapayam talaga siya. Sabi niya, it was really good. So, gusto ko yan. Check. We got some broccoli florets. We even got some tea, mga kabay. Tingnan niyo po. Sweet tea lemonade. So, meron din tayong cookies, mga kabay. Tingnan niyo po. Cookie dough. Perfect yan. So, meron tayong 2 uri ng panghimagas, dessert. 4 tubs of tomatoes. 2 bags of salad. Shredded kind. We got chicken salad. We got broccoli florets. And we got some yogurts. Pero hindi kami kumakain ng yogurt. Oh, meron para din tayong French onion dip. And they're still good, guys. Malamig pa rin po siya. And still in date po. Ganda naman. How about ito? And even yung yung yogurt, still in date pa po siya. Malamig pa po rin siya. So, katatapon lang po dito ng yung goodie bag na to. They just throw it away too because they're still cold. Yep. Tingnan natin sa meron pa ba. Ang daming guys, ang daming bacon ang tinapon nila. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bags of bacon. At alam niyo po, ang bacon dito napakamahal na po ng, of course, obviously lahat po ng mga pamilihin today ay talagang it's really ridiculously high. But yung bacon particularly talagang tumaas. This pack alone is about $4 to $5. So meron akong 8. So we're looking at what? $40 or so, maybe $50 after taxes sa bacon lang yan. So not counting sa iba pa. So guys, what do you think about this haul? So, you think it's a good haul? I think it's a good haul po kasi kahit maliit, tandaan nyo po, kahit maliit, basta meron, is still a good haul. And para sa akin po kasi, kahit maliit o medyo lang o maraming, I'm still very thankful. Kasi, I mean, if you have a little bit, it's better than nothing, right? And so, para sa akin, I'm really thankful. So mga kabay, if you have come this far in this video, i-subscribe niyo po yung channel ko. Don't forget po sa pag-smash ng subscribe button. At saka i-like niyo po, i-share niyo po itong video na to. And don't forget to comment and let me know what you think about this video. Also po, meron po tayong announcement. Announcement ko po is, in case hindi niyo po napansin yung community tab post ko po, I just updated a new information in there. I just created my new Facebook page, JC Channel. Ililink ko po or ilalagay ko po yung link para mapafollow niyo po ako at saka i-like niyo po yung Facebook po natin. So, if not po, you can go to my About section sa YouTube channel ko and then look at the Facebook link and then just click on that and follow and like po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pagpapanood ninyo sa inyong suporta. Maraming salamat po at God bless. See you po next time sa susunod po na day. Bye!